This bird lays an egg bigger than its own body. Meet the kiwi bird. It can't fly, has tiny hidden wings, and looks more like a fuzzy ball than a bird. A kiwi's egg can be up to 25% of its own body weight. For such a tiny bird, that egg is massive. Inside her, the egg takes up almost all the space. Before laying it, she barely eats because there's no room left. Just imagine the pain of laying something that big. And when it finally comes out, that tiny bird just created a giant future chick.